Hello Arabic learners, hope you are all doing good. Welcome to another day translations video. Today we are going to learn about the Arabic pronouns. In Arabic we have 12 pronouns, way more than the English pronouns. Why? Let's find out. The first Arabic pronoun is ana. Ana. The English equivalent of I. Example, أنا صبري. أنا صبري. I am Sabri. The second Arabic pronoun is نحن. نحن. The English equivalent of we. It can be used for both plural masculine and plural feminine. Example, نحن أولاد. نحن أولاد. We are boys. Or نحن بنات. نحن بنات. We are girls. The next Arabic pronoun is هو. هو. The English equivalent of he. Example, هو ولد. هو ولد. He is a boy. Next one, هي. هي. The English equivalent of she. Example, هي بنت. هي بنت. She is a girl. In Arabic, we have a specific pronoun when we are specifically talking about two people, which is Huma, and we can use it for both genders. Example, Huma ولدان. Huma ولدان. They are two boys. Huma بنتان. Huma بنتان. They are two girls. The next two pronouns are hum and hunna, and surprisingly, the English equivalent to hum and hunna is they. But in Arabic we use hum for masculine plural and we use hunna for feminine plural. Examples, هم أولاد. هم أولاد. They are boys. هن بنات. هن بنات. They are girls. The next pronoun in Arabic is أنت. أنت. أنت is used for singular masculine. Example, أنت ولد. أنت ولد. You are a boy. Next one is أنتِ. أنتِ. أنتِ is used for feminine singular. Example, أنتِ بنت. أنتِ بنت. Notice that the English equivalent of أنت and أنتِ is you. In English we use the pronoun you for both singular masculine and singular feminine. But in Arabic we use أنت with the fatha with singular masculine and أنتِ with kasra with singular feminine. Next pronoun is أنتما. أنتما. أنتما in Arabic is used specifically when we are talking about two persons, and it is used for both genders. Example, أنتما ولدان. أنتما ولدان. You are two boys. أنتما بنتان. أنتما بنتان. You are two girls. The last two pronouns in Arabic are أنتم and أنتن. أنتم and أنتن. They are both used for the plural, but أنتم is used for masculine plural and أنتن for feminine plural. Examples, أنتم أولاد. أنتم أولاد. You are boys. أنتن بنات. أنتن بنات. You are girls. After going through all the pronouns in Arabic, now we know why do we have more pronouns in Arabic than English. First, we have specific pronouns when we are talking about two people, like Huma and أنتما. Second, all pronouns in Arabic separate between gender except أنا, نحن, أنتما, هما. Those pronouns are used for both masculine and feminine. Now let's repeat together all the Arabic personal pronouns for the last time. أنا. أنا. نحن. نحن. هو. هو. هي. هي. هما. هما. هم. هن. هن. أنت. أنت. أنتِ. أنتِ. أنتما. أنتما. أنتم. أنتم. أنتن. أنتن. Now we arrived at the end of this video. Make sure to practice the Arabic pronouns. See you soon. إلى اللقاء.